This is a quick guide on Vanguard Create basic tools and operations. We will show you how to launch Vanguard Create, design basic message, delete message from the canvas, save a message, create blank canvas, and open save message. Finally, on how to send the message you designed to the printer. Launching Vanguard Create. Open and launch Vanguard Create. Once this display appears, click on the "Please click here" to start. A blank canvas will open. To start creating the message, identify what kind of information you need to print, such as text, counter, date and time, external date, a lot number, shift, basic shapes, image or a logo, and barcodes. Designing basic message such as production and expiration date. To start designing, click the text icon and then click the canvas to display the text box. You will notice that the above icon panel will change the display options such as text message preview, font type, font size, rotation. At this point, you can start typing in the production and expiration date using the keyboard. After selecting the font, you can adjust the size and the position by dragging the text box. To create a production date, you need to select the date and time icon and click the canvas. A default format of time will appear in real time. You can then select the format, font size, and size that you require. To create the expiration date, you need to select the time and date icon and click on the canvas. Select the format, font size, and font type. You can adjust the value in year, month, or day under the expiration duration panel. Deleting message from the canvas. To delete, select the message, then click delete icon on the left side. Saving your design message. Once you are done creating the message, you can save it on your tablet or on your computer's folder. Click the small Save Message icon above the icon panel, name the file, and select the folder to save the message. Creating a blank canvas and opening saved message. You need to click New icon to create new canvas. You will notice that the current message will disappear. To open a saved message, click on the Open Folder icon and the saved message will appear back on the canvas. Sending message to the printer. Once your message is ready for printing, you will need to send it to Hx Nitro. To send the message, proceed to the Home panel. Under Home panel, there are 3 communication channels that you can use, such as USB, RS-232, and Wi-Fi network. You can now click the Send Message icon. You will be notified when the message has been successfully transmitted to the printer. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.